Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you another pull-up variation. I've seen this referred to as like a typewriter pull-up. I always just called it a side-to-side pull-up. So palms facing away, overhand grip, and the goal here, so there's kind of two ways that you can do this. You can do a pull-up where you're going to pull yourself to one of your hands, okay? So that's one way. Or the other way to do it is you pull yourself straight up, move yourself to the side, move yourself to the other side, and back down. So the latter is obviously significantly more challenging because you're up in that position longer. Okay, so side-to-side pull-up or typewriter pull-up.